Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach. Here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. And I'll be sharing my investment journey with you. Now in today's video, I'll be sharing how I'm doing in the Christmas challenge with you guys, and I'll also share how I managed to save an extra £68 every single month. Can you guys believe it's only 7 more weeks till the end of the Christmas challenge? Then we'll be enjoying a nice December with all this money we have saved up to make Christmas a little bit easier this year and help us not to put so much of Christmas on our credit cards. As you guys know, I've been doing the 1000 Christmas challenge. I know there's 3 options you could have chosen from. Let me know in the comments how you guys are doing on your Christmas challenge and how much have you managed to save for this Christmas to make it a little bit easier for you guys. Now, I know it's not been easy. It's been a difficult year, especially with everything going on. Even myself, I've been made redundant, so I know how hard it is, and we as a family really pulled together to ensure that we do save money so that we have a nice Christmas this year. Now, I'll be sharing my Christmas challenge on a spreadsheet this month just to make it easier for you to see where I am and how I'm doing. So this is where we were when I made my last video on the 11th of September. The total amount saved at that point is 553, which 80 is in cash still, and the rest I've put into the bank. Now, since then, we have saved a few more weeks. So let's add the weeks that we've saved extra for this video. Now, we've saved £34, another £35, a 42 and a 43. Now, the total we've saved so far is £707. That means we have less than £300 to save in the next 7 weeks. If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Now, as a bonus, I'd like to remind you guys that there is a way we can save a little bit of money every single month by just having a look around. Now, as you guys know, we always hear about it, everyone tells us about it, but a lot of us don't do it every year. It's just easier to just let everything roll over automatically. But you can really save a lot of money every single month just by making sure you shop around. Make sure when your insurance renewal comes up that you shop around and see what is the best deal for you. How much can you save every single month on having a look around on all your insurances? Just an example. I used to have insurance where I had to pay £92 every single month for insuring on a multi-car insurance for my vehicle and my husband's vehicle. Now this year I've done the normal searching around, and I was astonished at how much money I'm saving every single month just by doing that. Now I'm now only going to pay £54 a month for my car insurance. That means I am making a saving of £38 every single month that I could use to help me pay for something else. And another thing we have also done this month to help us to save a bit more every single month is actually cancel our Sky subscription. The reason for this is we've been having a look and we don't actually even use Sky at all. We use Netflix 90% of the time, and the only time we do use the Skybox is when my husband watches news or 1 or 2 programs, which is actually on the normal free channels. So why are we paying Sky £30 a month and we don't even use it? So this month we've cancelled that. This gives us a saving every single month of £68. Now this is a lot of money extra every single month that we can put towards something we think is really more important, instead of paying for something we don't use or just paying a company because I'm too lazy to switch. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.